Is programming and integrating your hardware components cutting into your discovery schedule? Setup and troubleshooting can be time-consuming and frustrating. Without devoted resources and a specialized team to handle the coding necessary for complex tasks and equipment functions, your development cycles may be unnecessarily delayed. Configuring hardware and interactions without knowledge of the specific components and compatibility may sometimes seem like a daunting challenge. Now, you can get up and running faster and more easily with our IDEX Health and Science Library Python package. The IDEX Health and Science Library dramatically simplifies communication and streamlines integration between our valves, pumps, degassers, and sensors, allowing for a shorter development and validation cycle. Using Python, this software package abstracts low-level communication protocols to help you quickly integrate individual components with your hardware and easily write the commands required to control even complex interactions. When you need to accelerate your benchtop development and want to control your equipment with ease, IDEX Health and Science Library gives you the tools you need for seamless automation. The benefits include a powerful, easy-to-use syntax for fast development, a simplified, out-of-the-box experience for programming IDEX Health and Science valves, pumps, degassers, and sensors, complex logic programming and data processing, and fast edit, test, debug cycles. Reduce your startup time and troubleshooting frustration and put more of your energy and focus into discovery with IDEX Health and Science's Library Python package. To learn more about the IDEX Health and Science Library, visit idex-hs.com/library.